Hey guys, what's up? It's Al from gmailfiend once again, and in this video I'll be showing you how to delete labels. So labels can be found on the sidebar over here. So you can't delete them by simply clicking them because you will be redirected to this one, and even if you click the more button, then you don't have the delete option. So what you have to do is to click more on the same sidebar, and then a drop down will be shown, and you just have to scroll a little bit downwards and click manage labels. So once you have done that, then you will be redirected to this web page, and just scroll down and then you can see labels again. So over here you can see an actions part, so you can choose to remove or edit the label. So in this case you want to delete a label, so we will be choosing remove. So you just have to click that, and a pop-up will show up asking if you are sure if you want to delete the label. So um if you really want to delete the label, then what you have to do is of course just click delete, and for the others you can just do that as well. So yes, that's how simple it is. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope you tune in for more.